Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. So finally in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and sharing with you guys the review of Factonauts Happy Hamper for 2023. You guys know how much I loved the 2022 planner and I used it for my 2022. I loved it. It helped me be productive, and the hamper is like the most affordable at the same time valuable product. I know it's not as affordable. I know a lot of people find that any planner that goes above 1,000 is not affordable, but trust me, the amount of things that you get in this hamper completely worth the money. Plus you can use my code and get some extra discount as well. I have finally got my hamper and I'm so excited to unbox it with you guys. So now let's start. So first it comes in this box. This is the classic hamper box and it was sealed. Of course I just opened to take a look because I couldn't wait. I really like the doodles going on. And this year they've added a lot more new things. When I saw on their website and like everywhere, I was like, oh my god, I really need this. The first you get is hey, love you all sort of a thing, happy mail, planning and fridge magnet, everything that is included in this 2023 hamper. So you've got a planner, a fruitful calendar, a sticker book, a happy mail which basically has posters, postcards, bookmarks. Then you've got baggage tag, sticky note and fridge magnet. So that's great. That's quite a lot of things. So now let's unbox. First is your baggage tag. It's this very cute cactus looking, good quality. It's silicone made and it's a little dusty, but that's not an issue. This is how it is. It looks so cute. I cannot wait to put it on my luggage tag. Although I haven't been traveling lately, but I did travel in the end of the year, so maybe this is going to be handy. And I believe everybody is getting the same cactus sort of hand luggage tag. The next thing is we have this adorable do what you love panda fridge magnet. I'm gonna straight away put this on my fridge. This has Factonauts written. It's very thin but at the same time good quality and it's so cute. It's like do what you love pink, exactly like me. So this is the fridge magnet. Then you get a couple of these post-its or tabs, whatever you want to call. Again, you can use this on your planner, in your planner, dots and lines, page markers, that's what they call. Good quality. Again, it's quite a big sheet, so you're getting 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 of them. Good designs, doodles, checkers, chevron patterns, so that's great. Again, different sort of page marks or bookmarks. So this is another add-on that they've added. Next we have is the fruitful calendar. So I'm actually using the desk calendar from them which I had gotten last year. Let me just show you. Yeah, this is the Factonauts 2022 calendar and this is the new one. So they have actually improvised quite a lot and added better, and I can see the quality difference. This page is much better. It's more like a hand paper sort of a thing, and this is a bit printed, but the quality is pretty much same. At the same time it's hard cover, so it'll stay intact for throughout the year. You can see I'm still using it. It's the month of December and it has worked so well for me. So of course I haven't used it to write any reminders, but of course I've used it throughout the year. It's always been on my desk, so I'm sure you would be knowing about it. So I am definitely going to keep this as my desk calendar. So this is the fruitful calendar. You can see you've got reminders. Then this is the month of January with apples, February with kiwi, March with lemons, April with watermelon, May with orange or mango, whatever it was. June is with cherry, it's my birthday month. Then we've got blueberry for July, August is for strawberries, September is for grapes, October is pear, November I believe it's plum or maybe like passion fruit, December it's pomegranate. So very fruitful calendar. I am quite impressed, really like it. So this is going to be my desk calendar for sure. Next is this new edition. Oh my god, this is a 500 plus sticker book and I cannot wait to use it. Yeah, they do sell it individually in case you want to check it out at retails for $5.99, but in this hamper you get it free. Just look at this. Wow, I love rainbows, by the way. Coffee. So this is like a big book of stickers. There are more than 500 stickers, so that's great. And you guys know how much I love stickers. They have a little bit of everything. I think I'm gonna spend some time in just viewing it, but you can see the aesthetics that they have. I use a lot of stickers in my vision board as well. So yeah, this is again a great option. If you're someone who really likes to do bullet journaling, maybe you can buy this sticker book individually because you can see how amazing it is. They've got Pride Month stickers, sun-kissed, watermelon fruits. Okay, everything is there. Again, it's so cute. So yeah, this is a great add-on. Next, we've got this. So I would honestly tell that this quality has a bit okay, like the quality has become a bit okay for the paper. Last year it was much better, but needless to say, let's see what do we have inside these. Okay, so we've got bookmarks and postcards. So let's start with few of these. Live your best life. And trust me, I have used last year's postcard. Cheers to you. Happy birthday to the self-sparkling star. Have a possum birthday. You mean the world to me. Congrats, you snailed it. You are one terrific mom. I'm so proud of you. So this is the first set. Then we've got some more. Get well soon. You've got a magical aura. Best dad in the universe. You came out to be real. Have a magical day. Pens don't go. I really look up to you. Thank you for being awesome. So this is another set of postcards. Now we've got some beautiful, oh, I love this moon, bookmark. Then we've got this bookmark with a little sunshine, floral and leaf. So good bookmarks. Now we've got these big cards or postcards. So this one says, kickstart the motivation, get there with discipline. That dream was placed in your heart for a reason. If you never try, you'll never know. So true. I'll grow from every situation. I need this right now. Dream bigger, darling. I need this as well. Being a kind person also means being kind to yourself. Be proud of your progress. You can start again like the sun every morning. So this is some very beautiful motivational postcards or posters that we've got here. I think I'll be putting them underneath this. They look so cool. So this was a pocket full of postcards and bookmarks. It's called Happy Mail. Thrown all our love into it. Go on and open it. Really like this theme going on. Now comes our main planner, which everybody is talking about. I went for this Find Your Balance theme for 2023 because I really need it. By the way, if you want to get this planner all alone, you can go ahead and do that as well. If you want it in hamper, I would suggest the hamper. This is how the planner is. Of course, you get a little, I used the 2022 planner throughout and I feel like I'm going to use this as well. I already have so many planners. By the way, there's a giveaway also on my channel, so you should check it out. But I'm not sure how many planners can I use, but this is like literally screaming that Himani, you need to use this planner. So now let me zoom in, you guys, and share what exactly is there in this planner. They have a lot of different options that you can choose from. A beautiful cover pages, trust me. Like there's something for everyone, whether you're a guy or a girl. Florals to, glorifying boss women vibes, all these, what do you call? I forgot, zodiac signs and space. I went for something like this. And I'm so liking it. It's all like, constellations and find your balance, just something that I wanted for this year or the upcoming year, sorry. So this is how my cover page looks like. The quality is like, trust me, they've improved on the quality compared to the previous one. I can feel it. Now let's start. So I love the layout, of course. Then you've got this planner belongs to page. Okay, so basically this is a little, planning sort of a introduction, how you can use it and all little nicks and knacks that you should know before planning. So basically listen to your inner child, become lean, mean planning machine and all of that. You've got your top 5 goals for the year 2023. You can divide it, put up some stickers. Now this is something new that they've added. A new year is a new hope and inspiration to live life in a better way. So every month there's a new beginning and here are a few ideas to start it. So plant a tree and name it 2023 and all of these different things that they've given. So these are some initiatives that you can do before starting the new year, maybe once the new year has started. Very interesting thing that they've added on. Also, I love the artwork going on. Then you've got your vision board. If you want to see my previous planner, let me know if I can pick it out. This is my 2022 planner, and you guys know how much I've used it. I've shown it like in my literally all the videos. And let me share with you guys my vision board for last year. I loved it a lot, and that's what I'm gonna do for this year as well. And I've like used it so much. So this is going to be the vision board. Then we have an overview from 2022, like the lessons and everything. So you basically do a brain dump for your 2022. The best is yet to come. So expectations and make it happen. So basically, what are you looking out for? So here are the listing things, and here are the actions. Your improvement plan, again, it's similar to their last year. Body, relationship, work, mind. My favorite quotes, again, this was there in the last year's planner. Days to remember, birthdays and all. Then you've got a letter to myself. Things to overcome, things to embrace. Again, they have, you know, kind of broken it down so it's easier for you. I know me. This is basically something that you should do, trust me, before starting the new year. Talk to yourself, get to know yourself better, because in the long run, we actually forget that we are also changing with other people changing around us. Bucket list, anti-bucket list. Again, I like the concept. It was there last year as well. Then you've got your daily, roughly how your day would be looking in, 2023, your weekly plans. This is a complete overview of your year, the yearly calendar, note section. And this is the January layout, how beautiful it is. I really like the beach vibes going on and the ombre effect. You've got your monthly layout over here. This is your budget plan. Again, they've kind of improvised on this. Saved as planned, overspent amount. You've got your meal plan, your shopping list. This is a mood tracker. I always love their mood tracker. So they have kind of made their mood tracker much better. You can just, color it. Then you've got affirmation for the month, goals for the month, things to focus on and distractions to avoid. This is how your everyday layout will be. It's very similar to what it was. I think it's literally similar. It's just that you get a little task to do. Here they've asked to doodle. Here you have your daily planning. Then things to remember, habit tracking, top priorities, sleep log. So again, the same thing going on. So this is literally the same like how it was. But I really like how they've tried to, highlight a few different things just to make it a little different. Then at the end of the month, are you there, a little, talk through. And then you've got monthly reflections, wellness tracker and notes. And this is the month of February. I love these penguin things going on. So you are getting the same layout. It's just a little different, like the mood tracker becomes a little different. So let me just share with you guys the monthly layout, how it'll be looking. This is for the month of March. For the month of April. Wow, this is so good. For the month of May. Let's see what is the tracker for the month of June. Oh wow, so pretty. This is for the month of June. July. Oh, they have this very pretty space thing going on. August. September. October is a bit spooky. November. And then finally we've got the December. So very pretty layouts. At the end, let's see what's there. So you've got your monthly reflections for December. Then you've got reading list, learning list, movie watch list, series watch list, travel list, restaurant or food list. Then you've got your professional maps like things I own, lend, identity card, health index. wish list for 2023, what you can do, what you want, when, budgeting, annual vacation plan, expenses for the vacation. Then you've got your packing list for the vacation, and then you've got a couple of notes. That's all. Very useful planner. Try to include everything in this planner, quite useful. And then you also get this guide on how to use the planner, and then a couple of more stickers. So I really love the fact that they try to include so many different sorts of stickers. You can see. So this was my unboxing and review of the planner. Overall, I love the planner, completely worth the money. If I have to give you my honest opinion, yes, it's worth the money, it's really good. But because I've used the Factor Notes 2022 planner, one thing that I know is the quality of the pages is a little okayish. So if you use a very deep ink, it might seep in compared to other planners like Neura and all. They use very thick quality, high GSM papers. The papers in this is good. I'm not saying it's bad. It's just not that much quality. But then the amount of freebies that they give you, the stickers and all, it's beautiful. The cover page. So if you're looking for the complete planner at a reasonable rate, at the same time something that is so cute and useful, definitely go for this one. I would recommend you all to at least get the sticker book, completely worth your money. Also, you can save a little extra using my code. I have mentioned it on the screen and the description box. So this was the video, guys. I hope you all liked it. I'm making a soon comparison planner video, so make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.